Hello guys, welcome to yet another video, and today we're still on the goat series. This is Livestock. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses, and today we're going to be talking about the steps that you need to follow if you want to start a goat farming in Kenya. These are some of the steps that you need to follow so that you can be successful. Number one, you need to define your goals and the target market. And what do we mean by that? We're saying that before you get into the world of goat farming, take some time to think about your goals and what do you hope to achieve with your goat farming. Are you primarily interested in the meat or milk production, or perhaps both? Or you need to consider your long-term objectives as well, whether you want to expand your farm or creating a sustainable source of income for your family. So in addition to defining your goals, identify your target market. And when you're talking about target market, these are the people who will be buying your goat products, and you are going to think about people like the local customer, restaurants and other businesses. So understand your market, and this will help to shape your strategy and ensure that you're producing what is in demand. And then number two is research the goat farming industry in Kenya. If you ever start a business, it's always advisable to always do a research. And to succeed in goat farming, you also need to be well acquainted with the local industry. And then another thing is estimate your startup cost and potential profits. This way, now when you're starting any business venture, you have to have a clear understanding of the financial aspect. And what we're saying about that is you need to start by acquiring land. Obviously, you need to build shelters, purchase goats, goat feed and necessary equipment, as well as covering the initial veterinary expenses and administrative costs. So in addition to startup costs, you find you need to consider your potential profits. You calculate your expected income based on your chosen breed and products you intend to sell, and then bear in mind that profits, they may take some time to materialize, so it's essential to have a financial buffer. And then number three, you need to develop a health and financial management plan. That is where the health and financial management plan is the key to its sustainability. And you find that you develop a robust plan to ensure that the well-being of your goats and the financial stability of your venture. So when you're talking about the health and financial plan, the health management plan, this is now a plan. You should encompass regularly veterinary care, vaccination schedules, and a safety for dealing with common goat diseases. And then financial management plan, this is now where you keep a detailed records of your income and expenses they are very fundamental when it comes to goat farming. Then number two, choose the right breed of goats. And when you are selecting the appropriate breed of goats, it's a very critical decision, and this can impact the success of your goat farming venture. And then number three, we're going to be talking about the popular breeds of goat in another video. Number three, find a suitable location. And we find that when you're choosing a right location for your goat farm, it's very crucial for the well-being of your herd and the success of your venture. And then another thing is set up your goat farm, and we're going to be talking about how do you set up a goat farm. We're going to talk about that in another video. And then after that, you manage your goat herd. That is, proper management is the key to maintaining a healthy, thriving goat herd. And then after that, you need to market and sell your products. After you have marketed and sold your products, that is the end, because the whole reason you're keeping the goats is that you can be able to make profit from them. So I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. And if you're interested in doing a goat course farming, you can do that at Livestock University College. Visit their website at www.livestockuniversity.com or call them at 0703 313 722 or send them an email at info@livestockuniversity.com. Until next time, goodbye.